I'm turning on the camera for this shit. This is gonna be some funny ass shit right here. It's gonna be on YouTube later.
They were taking out a wall, right? Was that the one? Because they might have happened sooner than they thought.
I see one wheel smoking.
How about putting it in a low?
You gotta step on it.
Come on, man. No, don't go back.
Yeah, back up.
Hey,
Oh, this is fucking hilarious. Oh wait, now we got ballast weight on the back wheels. Okay, this is gonna be good. Here we go, here we go, here we go. More.